Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So today guys I will be doing some knotless braid in my hair. About say 8 to 10 braids I want. No more, no less. So about 8 to 10, and I am using this braid, the free tress braid, and this one bring like 3 in each pack, and I'm using black and 27, and yeah, and inch is 28 inches. So I will be using this. So I have 2 packs of gold, the 27, and 1 pack of black. So but I think I need so much hair, but that's what I have and that's what I'm working with. So I am gonna do my own hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna see the hair already centered. So I'm gonna part out the back and thing and whatever, and see if we can lasket the section, but I'm not gonna use rubber band, I just lasket it so it don't get mixed up. Yeah, so after I finish that I will come back because I'm gonna use the mirror and all over the place to do the parting and everything. So yeah. So I'm gonna do the parting, section it up, and then I'm back. Okay? What I'm using is the ultra ocean wax. Ocean the 3 old. So I like this one, and I like the white one, and this one, the white and gray bottle, and this one. I think they're all pretty good. Yeah, so this is what I'm using, and you know, as usual we have a scissors, but the scissors is for to trim up because this is pre-stretched hair. Thank God for pre-stretched hair. Don't like I know all of the hairdressers them out there, the hairstylists. If you have a client and they come with braids that are not pre-stretched, you're like, what the hell? Yeah, so I love pre-stretched braids. They work for me and it let me go quick and less trimming up to do. So yeah, I'm working with pre-stretched braids. So you'll see me after I do my parting. Yeah, so I'll be back in a minute. Guys, I am back. So guys, I sectioned my hair in 10. I don't know if you can see that. So I put 4 at the back here, and then 4 here and 2 at the side. Yeah, so that's 10 braids in all. And guys, look at my hair where it grew. Hair grew. I don't remember that last year. This year January would have made 1 year since I started growing back my hair, because you know the girl did have short hair and cut down her hair and such. So 1 year growth, guys. Look at that. Long and nice. Alright, so I'm last get it because we don't want to get mixed up and things. I'm gonna start the braiding now. I'm gonna start from the back. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull out each one, we just take off the lasket and you know start doing. I don't know if the back part's straight, but oh well. That is that for the back. I'm gonna just know to the front part, alright. But I don't know the back what I'm going for the back, but you know, a girl gotta do what you gotta do. When I have the time for go like get my hair braided, and I have this one girl when I use braid my hair. She's a YouTuber, Cheyenne. You probably see me post her already doing a pop smoke in my hair. I would go to her, but I just don't have the time. So I say, let me just do some quick braids, and then it's the first I'm going to actually like do some knotless in my hair. So I said I would just try the knotless braid on myself and do a tutorial on it. So yeah, so let's get on with our day. All right. So guys, I'm finally finished with my hair, so I'm gonna trim it up and then hot water, and then I'm good to go and make some baby hair. So this is all that I did. 10 braids. So I'm gonna trim it up on hot water and then show you the finished results. At least it now over trim up for them. That's the best part. So more likely, you just need for hot water and trim off any excessive hair. That's it. So I'm gonna hot water and then come back and show you what the end result looks like. So guys, I'm finished with my braids, hot water. And this is what they look like. You can be the judge and tell me what you think about my braids. So tell me what you think about these braids. I'm loving them for sure, and I love the color. Yeah, so this is what your girl did to her hair. All 10 braids, and I'll put a little curl on the end. Yes, I just shower and feel so fresh and nice in my braids. Yeah, and homegirl not even bother going to work. I'm not going to work today. I'm just like chilling out my braids. Yeah. So leave some comments down below and tell me how I did for my first time doing knotless jumbo braids in my own ear. What you think about it? And dog, they can back outside, you see? Jesus. I'm gonna try do something there for thumbnails. Look like one little girl with a style here. It's the enzyme still wet. I really like it.